Alright, well, I found a rattly spot on this fender, and as you can see, I had trouble keeping the T26 T1 running. I think, yeah, I don't know. The carburetor here, when it was running at high speed and the little bit of driving I did, this is just barely a quarter turn, but to try to get it to idle at lower speeds, I'm still under here in this like little bit of an eighth turn area, and I really feel like it's just not getting a very good mix. I'm pretty sure that there's not crimp in the fuel line or anymore, but I will probably just put a longer one back on there because I know this keeps getting stretching with the fuel, and putting the bigger loop around is better. And like right now it's so tight against the hot water reservoir, you can see the fuel is boiling in the line and putting bubbles in, so letting it run a longer route will help keep it from being so tight against the engine and boiling like that. So time for a different fuel line approach again, and see what I can come up with for that. And then not really sure how to approach the carburetor problem, because again, that's just the needle and needle seat, and I don't know how to make those a different shape for better adjustment. I don't have a plan for that. I'll have to think about that. The ET6 ran real nice, an hour on each tank, so like that's back in working order, and then I can, if I look hard for a spring, I might find a softer spring for that and see if it'll run more slowly. But for now, I guess I will put these things away and maybe work on some other projects again. I do have a piece of fuel line for the T1 here, and I might put that out, but kind of want to have some other projects ready for it, and see where we go from there.